Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows subsystem for Linux is not working properly or not available after upgrading to Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung Windows Features. Ayan. And then click mo lang dito yung Open. So dito sa Windows Features, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows Subsystem. So scroll down lang tayo. And then ito na siya. Okay. So makita mo dito na Windows Subsystems for Linux. And then i-check mo lang itong box. And then next step ay kailangan ulit natin na i-locate din yung Windows Features na virtual machine platform. So, i-check mo lang itong box. And then, pagkatapos ma-check itong box, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung changes. Alright, so makita mo dito na the Windows completed the requested changes. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. So, click mo lang itong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix subsystem for Linux not working properly after upgrading on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.